Are you looking for a best Aliexpress alternative? And watch this 5-minute video and I can guarantee that you will have your dream dropshipping supplier that can take your business to the next level. You're watching this video because you believe in dropshipping business and you know this is the only business that will help you to become financially free. And make sure to watch this video till the end. Do not skip any single part of this video because I'm gonna break down every single part of this business, what are things are important, what things you should avoid, and in the end of this video, you will be able to make a right decision to choosing your right dropshipping supplier. So let's dive into the video. Using Aliexpress as a dropshipping supplier can't help you to run a successful business because it is hard to find a right supplier. Even if you are able to find one, you can't find the same product. There will also be a 90-day shipping nightmare, beaten up packaging, and undelivered products. So whether you are a beginner or simply concerned about using Aliexpress as your dropshipping supplier, in this video, I'm going to share the beginner alternative to Aliexpress, and I'm also going to be covering their individual features so that you can make your right decision. As we move on, you will find better and better Aliexpress alternative. The first alternative that I have on my list is Sourcebox. It offers a wide range of products from various categories, ensuring that dropshippers have the wide range of options to cater their customer needs. And it provides the competitive product pricing that allow dropshippers to maximize their profit margin. In addition, it can integrate with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Shopplaza, and more. And I like its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for dropshippers to navigate and find their needed product. The drawback that I found in a Sourcebox is the longer shipping time, which lead customer to dissatisfaction and lower repeated purchase. The another drawback that I've observed working with the Sourcebox is inconsistent product quality. Many of my customer leaves bad feedback by saying product quality is terrible. As I mentioned, on Sourcebox you will find inconsistent product quality. So you should decide if Sourcebox is the best alternative of Aliexpress, or you should pass it and check my next best alternative of Aliexpress. Zendrop is my second Aliexpress alternative. It also offers a wide range of products. It has 3 types of shipping options: the economy, cheapest one, and can be delivered product within 15 to 30 days. Standard shipping 7 to 15 days to US and 5 to 10 days to UK. Express shipping only for pro user with 5 to 10 days to US, 3 to 9 days to UK and Australia. Zendrop also offers the private labeling but only for paid members. In addition, it provides you private product listing where you can find trending product in your catalog. And of course, it is for paid members only. So with that, we can say that the most of the profitable features are only available on Pro plan. Another thing you should keep in mind that you can connect only to Shopify store. If you have WooCommerce store or any other store and want more features without spending money, then keep watching because the next one will fulfill most of your dropshipping needs. CJ Dropshipping is my third Aliexpress alternative. It offers huge list of products from different categories. If you don't find the product you are looking for, you can source the product from Aliexpress using CJ Dropshipping. And as you can see, it can integrate with any e-commerce store. The good thing about the CJ Dropshipping is that it has the mobile app that can make it easy to manage your store on the go. As we went through the positive points or positive side of CJ Dropshipping, it is our job to find the cons of CJ Dropshipping so that it would be easier for us to make the right decision. In CJ Dropshipping, you can find a longer shipping time. The standard shipping rate is cheaper, though it takes 25 to 30 days to deliver the product to the customer. But it doesn't apply to all products. Some products can be delivered within 5 to 10 days, but not all of them. And that is the difficulty that every dropshipper has to face while choosing the product. Just like Zendrop, CJ Dropshipping also offers premium features like private labeling, custom packaging, and printing, but you must pay separate. Even though CJ Dropshipping offers many features, the interface can be a bit confusing when starting out. Now it's time to show you my final and the best Aliexpress alternative, Fulfillment. They provide top-level dropshipping service that includes everything you need to run a successful dropshipping business. Whether it's about shipping time, product quality, customer support, they offer more than you can imagine. Let's quickly see what Fulfillment has to offer. As we know, shipping time is not just important, it is an essential part of every dropshipping business. Why? Let me show you something. On Aliexpress, you can get free shipping, though delivery time takes 25 to 30 days. And if you go with a fast shipping method, it may cost you more than a product price, sometimes similar to the product price. Why does someone buys a product with shipping cost more than a product price or similar to the product? On the other hand, if you go to Fulfillment services, dropshipping, and private line. And here you can see it delivers a product 7 to 9 days in Australia, 6 to 9 days in USA and Germany, and 5 to 6 days in UK. In addition, Fulfillment offer easy and convenient return and refund policy. If your customer got damaged product, they will refund you. If your customer got wrong product, they will resend it for free. This trustworthy return and refund policy is unavailable on Aliexpress, Zendrop, CJ Dropshipping, and of course on Sourcebox. And this is the only Fulfillment who provides you this much freedom or control over your dropshipping business. Moreover, Fulfillment offers the product photography service to create an excellent product page to boost the conversion of your store, which you can't find on any of them. Once you join the Fulfillment dropshipping service, you can easily communicate and get immediately response via Skype, and all those features make it unique from all of them. To start with the Fulfillment, you only have to click on the Get a Free Code button and run your profitable dropship business with Fulfillment. So that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more dropshipping videos just like this one. I'll bring more dropshipping tutorial for you guys every single week. That being said, goodbye. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.